In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an Upstream O2 sensor on a Jeep Patriot with a 2.4. It's located in the top of the exhaust manifold. Remove the engine cover, and by doing that, you're just going to grab it firmly and pull up. There's like little plastic boots or rubber boots holding on these little pins right here. There's 4 of them total. Set it aside. So the upper O2 sensor is located right here on the top of this exhaust manifold. I'm going to follow the connector over the harness, find the connector, and squeeze on the top tab and pull. Just like that. Now we're going to get our 22mm O2 socket. You can use a wrench if you can get it down in there, but I have an actual O2 sensor socket, and it's 22mm. And then break it free. Usually once it breaks free, it's easy to just unthread it. Once you get it up and out, always look at the threads of the old one, because you want to see if possibly it was cross-threaded at one point and there's no damage to that manifold. That's a good way to indicate whether you're going to need more than just the O2 sensor. So before you install your new O2 sensor, make sure you take that plastic protector off. That's for traveling packaging. And it already comes equipped with like an anti-seize on the threads, so it doesn't get stuck in there in the future. So insert it, and always go clockwise and do it by hand till you feel it grab. Right like that. Perfect. I'm just going to bring it all the way down because it's just easier until it starts to hit that crush washer. Feel it bottom out, just like that. Just bring that over there. Now let's get our socket. Now I have never used a torque wrench to torque O2 sensors. It's basically just like an old spark plug in the day. So you have a crush washer, so once it's bottomed out, you'll feel it give. Feel that crush washer working. Now it's stopped. I give it a quick 1/8 of a turn. Lift it up. Bring our connector over. Put it back in that holder. Line it up until it clicks. Perfect. Make sure it's free from any exhaust and heat. Now we can put our cover on. Now you can put your engine cover back on. Line those little pins up in the back with those rubber boots. And then you'll line up the oil filler, and the dipstick. You just push down. You heard it pop down, and you're all set. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.